Good morning and Jai Hind to all dear students. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 5th Subject Max. Today we are going to do revision of semester 1 exam. Okay, let's start with question number 2a. Write the number name of the following. In this question you have to write the number's name. In chapter number 1 we learn numbers system, Indian numbering system and international numbering system. If you observe here, I have written two examples. In first example, if you observe the commas, place of commas after 3 digit, then after every 2 digit, means this system is called Indian numbering system. Indian system, okay. This system is Indian system. In Indian system, commas come after 3 digit, then after every 2 digit, commas will come. So this system is called Indian numbering system. Now in the second example, if you see, commas place comes after every 3 digit. See, after 3 digit, after 3 digit. So this is called international system. Okay. So what you have to remember? You have to remember that in Indian numbering system, commas come after 3 digit, then after every 2 digit. This is Indian numbering system, and same way in international numbering system, commas place will be after every 3 digit. Okay. So let's write the number name. So let's write. So we will write here unit place, 10 place, 100 place, then 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So this is the place value of the given number which I have written on upper side. Okay, so let's write the number name. So here 8 is on which place? Crore. So we can write 8 crore. So EIGHT 8 CRORE crore. Then 25 is 2 place is 10 lakh place and 5 place is lakh place. So 2, 5, 25 lakh. So we can write 25 lakh. Then you can see next number is also 25, but their place value are 10,000 and 1,000. So we have to write 25,000. So we write 25,000. After 25,000, what is that? 234 means 234. So how we write 234? We know already. So TWO 2 HUNDRAD 100 34 THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. So by this way you can write a number name of a given number. So let's read again. 8 crore 25 lakh 25,234. Okay, you can read directly also 8 crore 25 lakh 25,234. Okay, now another example is of international numbering system. Here international numbering system is there. So before we write number name, let's write their place value. Okay, so 7 is on unit place, 6 is on 10 place, 3 is on 100 place. Now 5 is on 1000 place, 4 is on 10,000 place, and 3 is on 100,000 place, 1 is on million place, and 2 is on 10 million place. Okay, so now we have written their place values. Now let us write number name. So 21 million. So we can write 21 million. Then 345. Here we have to write 1000, 100,000, 10,000 and 1000 is there. So together we have to write only 1000. So 345,000. So we write THREE 3 HUNDRED 100 45 FORTY 40 FIE 5,000 THOUSAND 1,000. Okay, now 365, last 3 digits we already know how to write. So 365 67. Okay, let's read once again. 21,345,367. Okay, so by this way you can write number name of Indian numbering system as well as international numbering system. Now we will move to next number question. Question number 2b. See the picture and answer the questions. We have to look the picture, and we have to answer according to picture. Okay, so here two questions are. Let's read one by one and let's write one by one its answer. So let's begin. How many triangles are used to draw a fish? So total number of triangle we have to write. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this big 7 and this big 8. So total number of triangles are used 8. So we can write EIGHT 8. Okay. So answer is total number of triangle used in these fish are 8. Next, the biggest area covered by the whale shark in the figure will be of rectangle or triangle, means which shape covers maximum part in the given shape. So here you can see rectangle covers maximum part in the given picture. So here answer is rectangle. Okay, so here we have completed part 1. Okay, now we will see part 2. In exam they will ask like this question. So I am going to do 2 questions. Part 1 I have done, part B I will do. They will ask any of the picture and according to the pictures they will ask the question. Okay, so now we will see part B. Part B, if weight of one mango in basket is 150 gram, then fill in the blanks on its basis. On the basis of this picture we have to write here 2 blanks or 2 answers. So let's read number 1. How many mangoes are there in the basket? So we can write 4, F-O-U-R 4. Okay. Second question, what is the total weight of all mangoes? So we have to find the total weight of 4 mangoes. Here 4 mangoes are there. So here we know that 1 mango's weight is equals to 150. 1 mango is equals to 150 gram. Okay. So for 4 mangoes, what is the weight of 4 mango? Weight of 1 mango is given, that is 150. So weight of 4 mango is equals to how many? So we have to multiply 150 with 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is 600 gram. So answer is 600 gram. So we can write 150 multiplied by 4 is equals to 600 gram. This is the answer which we have written here. Okay. Question number 2c, define the following. First number, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? An angle which is measured more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. So let's write an angle which is measured more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay. Next one, right angle. An angle which is measured 90 degree is called right angle. So let's write an angle which is measured 90 degree is called right angle. Third one, reflex angle. So reflex angle means an angle which is measured more than 180 and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. So let's write an angle which is measured more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Okay. Fourth one, complete angle. So what is the definition of complete angle? An angle which is measured 360 degree is called complete angle. So let us write an angle which is measured 360 degree is called complete angle. Okay. Next, fifth one, acute angle. What is the definition of acute angle? An angle which is measured less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So let's write an angle which is measured less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Sixth number, area. What is area? The total space occupied by a closed plane figure is called area. Once again, total space occupied by a closed plane figure is called its area. Okay. Next definition, perimeter. Next definition is perimeter. The total length around a closed plane figure is called perimeter. So let's write total length around a closed plane figure is called perimeter. Okay. Next, pattern. What is the definition of pattern? The design which is repeated. The design which are repeated. So we can write the design which are repeated is called pattern. Next, prime number. What is the definition of prime number? Next is prime number. What is the definition of prime number? The number which have only two factors is called prime. So let us write the definition. The number which have only two factors is called prime number. Composite number. So what is the definition of composite number? Same like a prime number, but in prime number we have written only two factors. In composite number have more than two factors. So we can write the number which have more than two factors is called composite number. So let us write the number which have more than two factors is called composite number. Okay, here we have completed question 2a, 2b and 2c. Hope you have understood all the three questions, a, b, question 2a, 2b and 2c. Thank you.